Happy morning, children. Problem set 6, question number 8, third example. Miss Varsha, age 26 year, has a taxable income of rupees 2,30,000. I told you the meaning of taxable income. What is the meaning of taxable income? After you have got total gross income, that is yearly income, minus savings, deducting all the savings, whatever income you are calculating, that is a taxable income. So already the taxable income is given. On the basis of the taxable income, you will and your age, you will get to know whether income tax has to be paid or not. Now age is 26 years and taxable income is 2,30,000. So age, according to the age, you have to pay the income tax. So table 1. Now age is, see, individuals up to the age of 60 years, they have to pay income tax. So here age factor is according to table 1 and table 2 60 to 80. So you don't have to see table 2. Table 1 we have to see. And then here taxable income slabs already given to you. So as I told you all, how do we calculate the taxable income? Here this example I had told you that these are all savings. This is the gross yearly income, 12 lakh given. So total income 12 lakh minus all these savings are deducted. That is giving you taxable income. Here directly taxable income. So your work is short. Now according to taxable income is 2,30,000. So now here the sum is very easy. Up to 2,50,000. If you are earning in 1 year 2 lakh, means after deducting and all, up to 2,50,000, then what is happening? No income tax. You don't have to pay income tax. That is the easy one. So Miss Varsha, she does not have to pay income tax. Why? Because her income is, her taxable income is 2,30,000. So what we will write here? See, Miss Varsha is 26 years, has a taxable income. You have to compute the income tax. Now, what income tax we will compute? There is no income tax. She is free. So what we will write as per the table 1. As per the table 1, her income is less than 2,50,000. See, if it is more than 2,50,000, then only you have to pay. So therefore, no, Miss Varsha will not have to pay income tax. This was the easiest one. Will not have to pay income tax. Like this question can come in the exam, yes or no. Age will be given and whether it will be asked whether they will have to pay income tax or not. So age factor table 1, learn it properly. And a question can also be asked where directly suppose income tax is given to you and you will be asked to find education cess or secondary and higher secondary. So tax on tax is education, that cess. So you have to remember that also, 2% and 1%.